welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how we can apply the sentiment analysis to our Twitter data. In the previous couple of videos, first we extract the 5,000 tweets data related to the COVID from the Twitter, and then we apply some text mining approaches. And in this video, after that, I'm start from here. First, we extract the data from the Twitter and save it inside the Excel file, and I read the Excel and convert all the attributes to the text, nominal to text, and then only one attribute I select, that is text. Inside the text, you know that there is all the tweets data, and then we apply some pre-processing. First, we replace all the HTML HTTP tags from the text or tweets, okay, through this regular expression, and this regular expression is mentioned in the video description. Just copy and paste inside the replace word. After replacing all the HTTP tags from the tweets, okay, from the text attribute, then we apply another replace pre-processing technique to replace the RT underscore type that is retweeted for inside from the text, okay, of the tweets. Okay, this regular expression is also mentioned in video description. So now from here, after pre-processing, now I will apply the sentiment analysis on the text data. Okay, inside the text attribute there are all of the tweets. Okay, so inside the operator here, write the sentiment. Okay, and this one inside the extension operator toolbox. Okay, you need to install the operator toolbox from the extension as well. After that, inside the text processing, there is a extract sentiment. Drag and drop the extract sentiment to the process here, and connect this one to the its input, and click on the sentiment. Inside the sentiment parameters, here there is a lot, there are various models. Okay, you can use anyone, but I am using this tutorial divider. And inside the text attribute, our text attribute is text. Basically inside the text there are all the tweets data. Okay, and you can also apply some more show advanced output, check this one. Okay, and just show me the output after applying the sentiment analysis on the tweets data. So this is all about how you can apply the sentiment analysis. Run this program, and here you can find that this is inside the text all the tweets data. Okay, and for example, the first tweet is risk of blood clouds. Okay, and its score is negative. Is basically this is the negative. Okay, there are inside the score attribute there are three things. That one, if the value is negative, then it means that the sentiment is negative. If the value is positive, it means that it basically the positive, uh, as you can see that the positive is greater than the negative. Okay, so therefore it classify inside the positive. And third one is, if is not specify any sentiment, then it is neutral. Okay, so inside the scores we have three values. If the positive values greater than 0, that is positive. The negative values, that is negative, and inside the 0 it is the neutral. Okay, so as you see that the first is negative tweet or negative sentiment, and for example this is the positive sentiment, great to see, glow for getting ahead after business. Okay, and so on. Okay, if I expand this one, you can see that great to see, glow for getting ahead after the burgeoning closings followed by the COVID. It means that this is positive, so therefore it classify it positively. Okay, 100 COVID cases a week of borders reopened now. Okay, 1000 COVID cases a week of borders reopened now. Okay, this is neutral. Its code is as a neutral, and so on. 6 weeks from 17 lakh bunkers to take COVID vaccines. Okay, it is also neutral, and so on. So this is how the sentiment, we can apply the sentiment analysis to the Twitter data. Okay, one thing more, after the result, okay, for the next time, for example, you see that inside this code there is a numeric value negative, positive, and 0. So first convert it at a categorical, okay, for the next if we use of this result in our next okay topic. So delete this one, and from the operators here extract the generate attributes operator, drag and drop here, and inside the generate attribute connect this result to this one, sentiment result to generate operator. Okay, and click on the generate attribute and go inside the parameters, go to the edit list, and here I want to create, okay, a new column or attribute in our data and name it, for example, sentiment. Okay, and based on some condition, based on the score, click on this one, and here write some valid conditions. For example, if this is an expression, if score value is greater than 0, then inside the new column, that is sentiment, write positive. Okay, be small one, positive. And otherwise, if this is else if, okay, basically if the score value is less than equal 0, then the value will be negative. Okay, and if the score attribute is equal to 0, then the value will be neutral, and else there is, for example, nothing. Okay, so this expression is also mentioned in video description. So copy and paste this expression inside the generate attributes expression. Okay, and click on apply and apply. After applying this one, if I execute the output, you will see here now a new attribute is created. Its name is sentiment, and its value is negative, positive, positive, neutral. Okay, for the 0 case, if score is 0, then its value is neutral. If score is positive, the value is positive, and score is negative, the value is negative. So this is basically we convert the this score as a categorical for next use, okay, for our next purpose. And one thing last, the inside the operator, now write the save the result basically inside my Excel. Okay, so write Excel from here. Okay, the one step is basically it not showing the path. So first close this one, or okay, and now click on the right Excel. Now the Excel file path you can specify here. For example, I want to save the Excel on my desktop and name it sentiment analysis on Twitter data. Okay, and click on this. Oh, now if I again execute, after applying, the file is now saved inside my desktop. If I go to the desktop, here the file is saved. Okay, if I click on the file, you can see here all the result is saved inside the my Excel file. So I can use this Excel file for the next time. Okay, and we can apply the different algorithm like KNN, knife base to this sentiment result, or to apply a new for some tweets data. Okay, first we train our model for this data set, and then we can apply the new data to that model and to check whether the knife base or KNN determine correct result or not. Okay, so this is the for the future purpose, therefore I save the result inside the Excel file. So this is how you can apply the Rapidminer, the extract basically sentiment inside the Rapidminer on your data. So hope you this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.